Yep. You can see we can work with VS Code. So what are we need few extensions before installing VS Code. Like the first thing you need like Java 1.8, which is nothing but JDK 1.8 is the first tool that you need. And the second one, you also need Salesforce extension pack. One, we also need one more thing called Salesforce extension pack. So this is an add-on. I mean, this is an extension you can able to install within, VS Code. Okay, what is VS Code for us? VS Code is like a developer. IDE where you can write a programming, and it's not just for a programming. It also helps you to do a faster development. Like it helps it have a intelligence and it suggests the language what is next with the features whatever you get from IDE. It helps in maintaining the things in a better shape. And not just this, you can able to do a cross deployment. When I say I write Apex class in one sandbox, if I want to move to other sandbox, I can simply create a package and I can deploy them to a target instance. Okay, but before do that, we don't need to worry about. First, once you get all this extension, and we also need to install one more thing called Salesforce CLI. So you can download these tools are free. Salesforce CLI. You can download developer.salesforce.com and tools. Based on your version, you can choose and you can download. If it is a Chromebook, I think you need to install like a Linux one. Chromebook supports Linux, and Mac OS and Windows, you can do whatever you need it. Once this is done, and once you installed everything and everything looks good, then Command Shift P in Mac, Command Shift P in Mac, and Control Shift P in Windows. Okay. Whenever I say command, if you are a Windows machine, please use Control instead of a command. Okay. First, we need to create a project. SFDX, create project with manifest. Okay. Extensions are still loading. And I'm choosing, there are three types of things: standard, empty, and analytics. I recommend to choose standard, and I'll name as Pro Coding Skills Demo 2022. So I named my project as Pro Coding Skills Demo 2022. Passport. Otherwise, I'll go here. New folder. I'm setting up my folder structures. New folder. Salesforce projects. And I'm creating my project inside that folder structure. So you need to authorize this for a first time. These are the simple files that will create for a first time when you generate a project. When I say package, this is nothing but this one. So what you need to do, you created a package, you created a project. Now we need to connect this with your Salesforce arc, right? Then only you can able to. Here you can see no arc is default selected. You can able to see, right? No default arc set. Isn't it? Now what we need to do again, Command Shift P, RA Control Shift P, SFDX, authorize an arc. First we need to authorize. Which one? You need to authorize to production now, because developer edition is also treated as production. Control Shift P, okay, authorize an arc, production, and I'll name as Pro Coding Skills Demo underscore 2022. You can, this is the alias, like whenever you wanted to store some files, this is kind of a alias. It got here, and I am really not too sure what is my username. I'll go to users. Yep, this is the admin user. Login. Once it will successfully authorize, it will ask you to allow access to VS Code. Once you authorize, you can see your org is here, isn't it? If I want to download my Apex class, then I'll right click on the package.xml. I'll retrieve the source in manifest. This is one way. Either you can also see another icon called org browser, right? Click here, and there are different types of metadata in the sense different options available here. In this, whatever you need, you can retrieve only explicitly. If I need account email badge, collections POC, sample POC, if I want to retrieve collections POC, I can download here, or if I want to download everything, I can click here. For now, I'll try to download from a package.xml directly. My classes are available. So if I go to my classes, Force app, classes, you can see this is the class that we wrote there, right? And this is a collection that we are trying to create. Any questions still here?